Okay, so it went from bad to worse. Because, for one, there's fucking oil everywhere. But I tried the impossible. Ow, ow, ow. Fuck, that's still hot. God damn it. So I welded. And I got to turn. And then it broke again. So now it's broken inside. And that means we got to drill it. And then use an extractor. And of course, it didn't break fucking even. So the tape was for the sparks, but now the tape's gonna be for the goddamn shavings. That shit's pretty fucking hard, dude. Let me get a new bit. We're gonna be here all night. Glasses, where are my glasses? Here's some. Oh, Jesus, fuck. One of these is gonna be worth a shit. Okay? One of them. Let me try a different one. You're not gonna see all this anyway. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Nothing I had last night would work. So if you look over here, I went to the store. Remember, kids, 2 is 1, 1 is none. Because it's gonna break, right? So, a series of bits. And then I bought some of this. We'll see, right? First, we got to get a couple of holes in there and see about getting an extractor. So all I did last night was make a huge dent. This one didn't work. This one didn't work. All it does is make a little bit of dust. So these are cobalt drill bits. Now we're just in a drill bit contest. So I went to the Lowe's. Some of these are last ditch. Titanium. And then these guys, they don't even tell you what it's made out of. But it's 100 times better and 8 times faster than titanium. It just says high-speed steel. But it doesn't say what's in it. But it's blue. Right? So that's got to be good. And then as a last ditch effort, I got some tungsten bits for the Dremel tool. So, Irwin, diamond ground carbide tip. I got some high hopes for these, but we'll see. Starting with an 1/8 because that's all they had. So you can see the carbide on the tip. We'll see. Your stud is so strong you can't drill it, but it's so brittle that it breaks. It's like you could chip it out with a fucking chisel or some shit. I don't know. So let's be careful and see what happens. My arm's gonna be in the way. Sorry, hold on. You are only really getting a preview because we're right here. It's making a dent. I want some blue, but not too much. You're gonna have to move. Because this might work. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Need a better angle. You're in the way. I don't have high hopes for this. It just spun right off. It's just gonna spin right off. Okay. Ah, huh. You're such an ass, dude. What was that? Broke it off. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that's where I was drilling before. Cattywampus off center. So this is day 2. Full day 2. Well, beginning of day 2. Technically beginning of day 3 because this started 2 days ago. Yesterday I went to get some drill bits and shit. And so you can barely see it, but I was able to grind a slot and then hit it with the impact driver. That didn't work. I heated it up. That didn't work. Hit it with the impact driver. That didn't work. Of course, I can't get a lot of leverage with this thing in the frame. So, 2 things are going to happen. A couple things are going to happen. I'm going to go ahead and pull the front end off. Get the motor out. Get this on the bench. And then try again today. If that doesn't work, take it to the machine shop. Okay, so the rest of this day, the rest of this video, whatever else happens, is just me taking this motor out. So y'all are free to watch or tune in next time. Maybe something good happens. I don't know. We'll see. So I got to get everything off of this so I can drop this motor, get it on the bench, try to heat that up, hit it again, see if I can get it to turn or something. If not, it's going to machine shop and we'll let them do it the hard way. Well, with their big tools. So we got to take everything off so we can get this off of here. All these attachment points. And then we'll move on from there.